All right, in this video we are going to troubleshoot your AirPods or even your AirPod case getting too hot while using, or just in general. They're really hot to the touch. So the first thing is, if they're getting too hot, stop using them and take them out of any place that's too hot, like if it's on a dashboard of a car, if it's in direct sunlight, especially inside of a car, because what happens is the heat will actually go through the window and it will accumulate and it'll get a more lot more hot in a car or inside of a vehicle. And keep it in a cool place for like 15 or 30 minutes and let it cool down. And check where you're charging it. Make sure it's not in direct sunlight or under blankets or near heaters or anything like that. All right, next thing you want to do is inspect the charging cable, the USB-C that you're using it with. You definitely want to make sure you're using a genuine charger, but if there's any kinks in the wire, try to use a different charger, USB charger. See if you have another spare in the house. And ideally, I actually like connecting it to the wall instead of to a computer or a USB. You'll get a lot more charge to it, and that might prevent it from overheating. So definitely check the charger cord. The next thing you can do is clean the AirPods and the charging case itself. So remove the case, and what you want to do is you want to use some rubbing alcohol. So you want to get 90% or 70% isopropyl alcohol, which will look like this. And what you're going to do is just going to get a little tad and get like a Q-tip or a cotton swab or microfiber cloth. Get a little tab, and I want you to clean. If they're the newer version, you could take this rubber part and you can clean around it, clean the edges with rubbing alcohol. And then where it's charging, there's little terminals down here. Go ahead and clean them like this. You can swirl around and let them dry off without plugging it in for a good 30 minutes. And so cleaning it can actually help it from overheating. All right. And then after you did that, you could check your AirPods battery conditions, look for failing batteries. Update your AirPods firmware and do an update on your iPhone. So in order to do that in the iPhone, connect AirPods to the iPhone, go to settings, Bluetooth, tap on the eye next to your AirPods, check the firmware version, make sure it's up to date, put the AirPods in the charging case. Okay. And then what you're going to do is plug it into power. Keep the iPhone nearby with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on and leave them for about 30 minutes or longer. iPods automatically update. All right. Then reset your AirPods. So put both AirPods in the charging case, close the lid for 30 seconds, open the lid, and on your iPhone, go to Bluetooth, AirPods, and then forget this device. And then press and hold the back of the button of the case for 15 seconds. And what's going to happen is it's going to turn from amber then to white as you're holding for 15 seconds right back here. And then after 15 seconds, reconnect your AirPods to your iPhone. All right? And then number 8, turn off features that increase battery life. Try temporarily disabling automatic ear detection. So open up settings in your iPhone, tap Bluetooth, tap the eye next to the AirPods, and then turn off automatic ear detection. You could also test with noise cancellation, turning that off, transparency mode, and spatial audio off. All right, and then we said we could check for damaged battery, but try those different methods and let me know if it fixed it.